So, GoPro made a laptop. Well, actually, they partnered with ASUS to make the ProArt GoPro Edition. In today's video, I wanted to do a little unboxing to show you what you would get if you ordered the ProArt GoPro Edition. It's quite a unique experience that GoPro and ASUS have created, because usually when you get a laptop, you unbox it, you throw the box away, and you don't really think much about it. But what ASUS and GoPro have done is designed a box that you would keep for storage of your laptop as well as your GoPro accessories. But once you remove the laptop from your packaging, you now have customizable pick and plug foam that you can design for all your different GoPro accessories and cameras. But this is not the most robust material. So what is also included is this epic hard shell case to go traveling with. And you can now put your ProArts inside, as well as all your GoPro accessories. So now that all your gear is in the hard shell case, what you do is you take the straps that are on this packaging and you clip them on here. And if you still have an extra selfie stick and camera, you can just slide it in here for quick, easy access. And now you've got a compact, portable setup that's ready for any adventure, as well as some epic editing. Now GoPro and ASUS have worked hand in hand in the build quality and the design materials and just the overall feel of this laptop. You can really feel the impact GoPro has had in the design process of this, from the blue backlight keys on the keyboard to just the rugged feel. Now, some of my favorite features, being an avid GoPro user, is that the laptop has a micro SD card slot. So when you're filming with your GoPro, you get home, you don't have to worry about any dongles or accessories or adapters. You can just take the SD card straight out your camera and put it straight into the laptop and start sorting your footage. Another feature I really like is tablet mode. So because of the touchscreen, I can just flip this over, open up the GoPro media player and watch back my 360 footage, and just use my fingers seamlessly and now watch all of my GoPro footage back as if it was a tablet. So this is a really epic, small, compact solution, but as great and as compact as this laptop is, it is also an absolute powerhouse. It's got 128 gigs of RAM, so you're gonna have no issue editing your GoPro footage, especially when you're filming on the Max 2 and you need to process 8K 360 footage. This laptop can handle it with no problem. So I think that pretty much sums up this epic little unboxing experience. If you guys want to learn anything more about the ProArt GoPro Edition, I'll have a link below. All right.